So we are given an example right here. We're given that t1 is equals to -12 and t22 is equals to 10. So from that information, they want us to find tn, right? The nth term, the 100th term, and then lastly, we ought to determine whether positive 4 is in the sequence. Okay, firstly, we were able to derive that tn is a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, right? Okay, cool. However, now it's not like the other examples where we had a bunch of terms, right? Where we could find the common difference. We don't have d. However, we do have a, and our a is the first term. A is negative half. You know what I'm saying? Let's look at the 22nd term that equals to 10 and see whether we can form an equation on that and actually find d. Right, so for the 22nd term, we know that a is negative half, right, plus 22 minus 1 multiplied by d, right? This equals to 10. You see? So now we are going to be able to find the common difference, So, okay, so it's negative half plus 21d equals to 10. So let's just simplify here and get d. So we multiply it by 2 everywhere, negative 1 plus 42. Sorry, yes, negative 1 plus 42d is equals to 20, right? So 42d is equals to 21. What does that mean? So d is 21 divided by 42. Hence, our d is 1 over 2, right? So we're able to find d, and we're able to find a from the information that we were given. Okay, cool. So now we need to find tn. So tn is equals to a is negative half, right, plus n minus 1 multiplied by half, Okay, so negative half plus 1 over 2n minus 1 over 2. So this equals to what? Tn is equals to 1 over 2n. So negative half minus half, that is minus 1. So there is our tn. And if we find tn, life will be much more easier, right? Okay, so basically now we're going to find the 100th term, t100. So for this one, you just need to substitute 100 where there was n. So it's 1 over 2 multiplied by 100 minus 1 equals 2. So a half multiplied by 100 is 50. 50 minus 1 is 49. So the 100th term of the sequence is 49. Then lastly, we need to find whether positive 4 is in the sequence, right? So we need to find the value of n that corresponds to positive 4, for the general term there. So basically 1 over 2 n minus 1, right? Okay, so we multiplied by 2 everywhere. So this is going to be 8 is equals to n minus 2, right? So our n is going to be equals to 8 plus 2, right? So n is equals to what? 10. So the 10th term